Welcome back to another banger. Now listen, today I'm gonna do something that y'all gonna like, y'all gonna love. We're installing the Mega Squirt ECU plug and play 2. I'm amped. So I've been watching videos, kind of learning how to do it, what I need to do. So we have got the pillar off. We like to put all our bolts in bags just so we don't lose them. I should actually put this in here while I'm telling you guys that. That's a part of this. We also got the side panel off on the side. Now we can get to the main ECU. And before we start, I should have told you guys this from the beginning, and I always forget this. And this is like a good reminder for me as well. When my battery's been taken apart since we've been working on the car since the beginning. So that's the reason why I didn't really remember until now. But the point is, take off your black terminal on the battery always. Every time you're working on anything electrical, especially with the ECU, you don't want to fuck anything up. If you don't want to spend the money, if you already don't have the money, do it right the first time. Just letting y'all know. So you guys know what it is. We got that AEM, we got that wideband for y'all, air fuel. You know, ECU. Got my boy Jay Fresh getting out the ECU, the stock ECU from under right now as we speak. He actually has it, you know, taken apart. But I'm excited to be able to finally put this in. I've had this for about, I'd say like a month, probably like a month now. So that's pretty cool. Some other stuff that came with it. What we got here? Trying to show them the stock ECU looks like. So this is what the stock ECU looks like for anybody who's never seen a Miata 1.6. Well, this is probably the ECU for both of us. Honestly, I don't know. I'm not sure.
1.6.
Oh, just the 1.6. I've never seen the 1.8. But point is, that's the computer. I'm never selling it. Looking good, guys. We are looking good. So Mega Squirt Plug and Play 2 is installed. I don't know how I want to sit this, cause like I seen somebody like well, actually I seen Jinjim. He actually put holes into the thing. I'm not sure if I want to do that, if I just want to sit it there. Comment down below what I should do. If I should just take this back piece out and then put some holes in here, and then yeah, put this Mega Squirt Plug and Play right here, so it's not all moving around, bucko. What is this? This thing is a street sweeper on top.
This is the real street sweeper. No, I'm just playing. I got my boy, freshen up here. Creative Garage update. Went ahead, got some chicken, got some bell peppers. I got cheese in the fridge. Hooked my boy up with some, little quesadillas. We got a car passing channel on TV. You know how it is. You know how we live in here. How we bumming. And you know what it is. I had to bring that in. White Claw's the law, in case y'all didn't know.
Lunch with the gang.
Yeah, it's my dog. What the fuck is up, bro? Fucking miss this guy. We got Ronnie here at the Creative Garage headquarters. Is litty. It's so litty.
So we're gonna start today, and we have Ronnie here. He's in the building.
What's up, man?
So basically, we're trying to get this Miata pretty much timed and this timing belt back on, so we can get the valve cover back on. And I need to tap the oil pan, like I told you guys in the last episode. I need to tap the oil pan, and then we can put the motor back to the transmission, or put the clutch on and the rear main seal, do all the other stuff, put the motor back in the car. Be good.
Mm-hmm. Go. That's where we should be. See, exhaust is gonna line up with the notch back here. Right here. That. Let me check on I. Where's I at on this one? I'm gonna come back this way. I'm going the right way? Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
One more. I think one more. It's kind of weird. It doesn't grab it in some spots. It's weird. I don't know why it does that.
It's bougie.
Yeah.
It acts like that. I don't know why. Let's see, ooh, you're almost there too. Ooh, right there. Woo!
Right on.
E and I. Let's talk about it.
Okay.
So now what we need to do, they said torque this to 40
40 foot-pounds, right?
yeah.
You got
Welcome back, Creative Garage Fam. Jay Fresh checking back in. We are here live and direct. I'm my boy Ronnie. And we are about to go ahead and tap the oil pan. So we got everything that we need. Ronnie went ahead and picked up the tap. So we got the barb fitting. So we got the tap.
Then got the specific size.
Specific size for the tap.
Right here. Now we just start drilling.
Should be good to go.
Yep.
And we are back. I just want to go ahead, shout out to you. Let's talk about it. So we are here. We just finished up timing the Miata, making sure everything is ready to go. As you can see, we got the little insert right there. Got our marks here. We got our marks there. We're good to go.
Good.
Ronnie's out here torquing it up. Got everything set. Now, to put it all back together and get her looking efficient. So G's got the head off, the valve cover. Sorry, not the head. He's got the valve cover off. I'm gonna go ahead and do my special thing and put this red gasket sealer on all points, which is here, 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 and we should be good to go. I guess not. So after I'm done putting on this high temp gasket sealer, my fingers smell like ass. Don't even fuck with it. But I got the sealant on all the points that needs to be there, so we are looking good to go. Oh yeah.
Get all this.
Yeah. Keeping up, man. You the best. Appreciate that.
We gotta try to keep our facilities and shit clean.
Keep it clean. Keep it clean. All right, guys. We got the valve cover back on. Look at her. She's coming back, right? You know. Let's go ahead and clap it up for the team. Woo! A little pause. It's looking good. So we got valve cover back on. She's timed. She's got the Gates timing belt on there. We're set. All we need to do is finish the backside real quick. Pop it on that coolant reroute and literally, oh yeah, we gotta finish this oil pan. Once we finish the oil pan, that'll be set. And then we're good to go. We're almost damn near ready. So big shout out. We still got some pulleys to put on in front of this. But for the main part, she is looking fantastic. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely stay tuned. Big shout out to your boy. Yeah. Like it. Oh yeah. Stay tuned. We still got to put the flywheel and the clutch. It's gonna be fire. That's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. That's really gonna just.
That's gonna make this motor just shine, bro.
Shine on everything. Super excited. And we are back on another one. We are gonna do the continue one more time on the oil pan. So right now we got the oil pan outside. This is as far as we got when it comes to drilling, but we're gonna do some more, get it going, and we should be looking good. Yeah, you know how it go. So we get into it. Really excited. Hope you guys are too.
Oil. Yeah. Coming in hot.
Oil them up. Oil them up. He just want to look at it.
Oh yeah, it's almost there.
Yeah, man, you to go.
Bro, he needs some oil. You just come on, man.
You need oil.
You just put it back, like.
There we go. Ready?
Oh, we in the game. It's over. It's over. They sick.
Let's talk about it.
Let's talk about it. No, not yet. We still gotta taper it.
Oh, you do? What you mean taper it?
Like taper the threads. You don't have no threads, so it's just gonna sit there.
You know, I work out. You know, I'm over here at the Creative Garage Auto Shop. He said located on Jones and Hacienda.
Oh, baby.
Let's try it. You know, I got faith in you. I seen you do it all at this point. I have to call my accountant and tell him I might go broke because I got a new mechanic. He's just so good, I don't know what to do. Like,
Right?
She said, really?
Oh,
Yeah.
I see what you mean.
See, trying to kind of like make it work. Reverse.
Okay. Full turn, then you go back.
Yeah.
A quarter. We learning every day.
Yeah.
I really feel like I'm different.
Whenever you're tapping, you know why he says go back?
Why?
Because it gets stuck. And if you keep going, you break it. So that's why you kind of go back and forward. You're making, because what we're doing is, since there's no thread, it's flat. But it's still tight. So you gotta go in and you gotta cut the new thread into it. And that's what it's doing.
Okay.
So go in a little bit.
For all y'all
Go
that's
back.
listening, this is our mechanic. He's gonna get it done and show us the way. Actually, at the end of the day, I gotta get some of that silicone in there.
I'll make sure it's nice and lubed. Don't want it to be dry.
No dry. I know all you guys out there hate dry. It's looking good. It's way back here, but you can't. I'll make it closer for y'all. Huh?
What's supposed to go over that now?
Over this?
Yeah.
Some hosing.
Not as the hose that you throw it on. Clamp it usually. But
Hey, it doesn't have a. It's not a click type hose though, huh?
no, if it has the barbs, usually not. But I mean, you can put like maybe, I don't know. You can.
We're still gonna have to put regular hose over it and then tighten it with the clamp. I
You can put
know.
like a little, not a super tight clamp maybe.
I just always want to be on some high tech shit. Like, oh. It was a mission, low key.
Oh, I think you had a gear in.
I know. My bad.
That's why I should just fun. But right now, I'm just trying to let it sit with these new threads. But we're getting there.
Bro, we are in there. That is so litty. Got the Bobby on me. What's popping? Yeah, we like it. And it's tapered, y'all. We are in the game. I just want to let y'all know we are in the game. Let's talk about it. Fire.
There we go.
The oil drain. You see it? You see it? Oil drain. Oh, let's talk about it.
Let me go just a little bit more so it can sit flush, and I'll live comfortable with that.
I don't know, but I'll tell you what, man. Something about these metal shavings got me itchy, man. I'll tell you that much. I hate doing this shit.
I know.
God. Well, no, she lives there. So.
Oh, they do?
Yeah. Okay, brake cleaner guy.
Bro, I need all these little shavings.
Bro, show the fans what you doing. Yeah.
No, some of it's silicone, some of it's like
Some bullshit.
somebody had like backed into me looking at. Somebody had hit my shit. And then it was like, fuck out of there. Like, talk about the metal shavings. Let's talk about it. We don't want to be friends. We don't like y'all. We don't even know y'all like that. Let's talk about it. Let's go.
Okay, brake cleaner guy, we see you. He said, "Shavings be gone." Okay. Okay.
It's scary because you don't even know. I know a couple of shavings that might just sit somewhere ugly ass.
Yeah, we do have wire brushes.
Well,
Oh.
we got one and the other here. So these are the gaskets that you need in the seal kit for the oil pan when you're doing it. We also got the oil pan tapped, as you guys can see. We got no shavings. We got this bad boy clean, as you guys see.
Talk about it. My boy Ronnie really brought it back. Oh, look at it. Crazy.
That's with a toothbrush.
With a little toothbrush, man. I'm trying to tell you. Real deal. All right, now is the time. We are going to finally put the oil pan back on the engine. This is crazy. We're here. It's looking good. Oh yeah.
We got it. They're probably gonna be like, "Why are you guys using the red one?"
Yeah, the always.
Well,
They told me too. I was like, man.
I just want to be, you know, safe. So if this shit gonna hold the best, we gonna put the best on my shit.
One of the best for the best. Of the best.
You dig?
All right, guys, we got everything gasketed up real quick. You see it?
Creative Garage.
Wait, let's go. So and then we're gonna tap in with you guys with the. Sorry, I had to put something back. With the oil pan back on. You ready? Here we go. Woo!
Looking built.
Boy, got that thing on there. Let's talk about it, bro. It's a whole new engine. It's real. It's so real. It don't even look the same. Yeah, guys, you gotta take it in right now. We haven't even done the prettiest part yet, but just know she is looking bad right now. Ooh wee. Let's talk about it. I need a cut. This is Ronnie, and you're gonna see him a lot more in our videos. Ronnie, save it up to the subscribers.
What's going on, y'all?
So Ronnie, go ahead, just quick, you know, what do you drive?
Pretty much me. I drive a DSM. It's a 95 Eclipse with a 7-bolt. And right now, we're all getting together and building even more cars.
Yes, indeedy, yes, indeedy. So I hope you guys are excited. You're gonna see a lot more of Ronnie in our videos. He's gonna be, we're gonna keep going. That's what it is. Like, you know, he's gonna be here. We're gonna keep pumping out these videos. We're gonna keep building these cars. We're gonna take it to the top, and that's just what it is. So I hope you guys are excited. That's what we're here for.
I'm excited.
Take a look.
I'm part of the team. I'm excited for us all to be working together. You guys, last video, we didn't have the valve cover painted. We didn't have this painted. We didn't have the oil pan tapped or back on. We didn't have any of this on or this on. So we got some work done. Yeah, I mean, we working just to try to get it out on the streets and get it good for you guys. So hope you guys really enjoy. Make sure you guys hit that comment, drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe.
Please. All right, guys. One more time. This is Creative Garage, and we're signing out.